Hello students, today we are going to learn about a pointers. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. In a computer programming, an array of pointer is an indexed set of variables where the variables are pointers referencing a location in a memory. Pointers are an important tool in computer science for creating, using and destroying all types of data structures. An array of pointers is useful for the same reason that all arrays are useful. It allows you to numerically index a large set of variables. A pointer is a variable that holds a memory address. There is a difference between a pointer and a variable. Pointer holds the address while a variable holds the value. Pointers are used for many purposes. To return more than one value from a function, to create a complex data structure such as a linked list, to pass arrays and strings more conveniently from one function to another, and to manipulate arrays more easily by moving pointers to them instead of moving the arrays themselves. Now there are many advantages of pointer, like they can reduce a storage space, and pointer has the capacity to avoid any confusion by the compiler due to variables with the same name. Then the pointers can handle array more efficiently. They help in building complex data structures, means pointers help in building a complex data structures like linked list, stacks, tree, graphs, etc. So what is the basic concept of an address and a pointer? A variable refers to the content of location, while a pointer variable holds the address of a given location that contains a data value. Now here, from this diagram, we can understand that a pointer is a variable that contains a memory address. Now, our next topic is a record. A record is typically used when a data file is organized into a table structure. In such organization of data, a record belongs to a hierarchy of field, records and files. We can define record as a structured data type made of a finite collection of not necessarily of same type but related data elements. The related data elements bound together in a record structure are called fields or attributes. A file is a collection of similar records. Each data item itself may be of group item composed of sub-items. Those items which are indecomposable are called elementary items or atoms. And fields in a record are named and used as identifiers. Records and array structures have some similar and some different properties. Some similarities are as follows. Like arrays, records are accessed directly through the use of field selectors, also called identifiers. In case of arrays, an element is accessed by an index number. A record like an array occupies a consecutive block of cells in memory. The record's accessing function calculates the location or address from a named field selector called an identifier. Each data item is termed as a field. A file is a collection of similar records. Each data type may be a group item composed of sub-items. Consider a record whose structure is given below. Just look at this image. So employee name, first name, last name, address, city, pin code. To present this record in memory, linear arrays are used. One separate linear array is used for each elementary item of record such as first name, last name, city, pin code, phone number, etc. The records are stored in memory using a parallel linear arrays such that for an index k of all records. Just look at this diagram. This is how we are creating a record. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number.